Breaking Disney World news was just announced. Today is Tuesday, May 16th, and last week, Disney World announced several changes that are coming up. The first update is starting May 31st, 2023. You can now book your Disney vacations for 2024. That's right. Reservations are going to be open for 2024. Call your travel agent, get some ideas on prices. It is best if you plan your Disney World trip in advance. And I mean, like, really in advance. I like planning mine about 9 months ahead of time. That's just me. I might be a little crazy, but honestly, if you want to take advantage of all the perks that come with staying on site, advanced dining reservations, you want to book early. So starting May 31st, you can start to plan your 2024 Disney World vacation. The rest of these changes are not going into effect until January of 2024. The first one I want to talk about is saying goodbye to park reservation days. So, as of January 9th, 2024, when you book your reservation package with your hotel, your 4-day tickets, maybe you want to go a Monday through a Friday and you want to go 4 days in between, those will no longer require you to have an additional park reservation day. So, right now, since COVID happened, we've all had to buy our tickets and then go onto the website and make sure the park is available that day and make a park reservation pass. That is going away January 9th, 2024. This is only happening for date-based tickets. So, if you're an annual pass holder, you are in a different category. This is for those of us that buy maybe a 4-day ticket for the week that we're going. If you are an annual pass holder or a cast member, they are going to be implementing what's called good to go days. On those good to go days, you will also not need a park reservation. As far as it's written out right now, on those non good to go days, you will still need to make a park reservation. If you have been staying on site and you've enjoyed early theme park hours or extended theme park hours, those are going to be continuing through 2024. They must have had a lot of good feedback on having those extra hours and that extra perks to staying on site. I know I felt like during the pandemic, there were not a lot of perks to staying on site anymore, and people were looking elsewhere. Disney is wanting you to stay, and they're trying to figure out a way to bargain with you to get back on Disney property. So, early theme park entry and extended evening hours are staying through 2024. Someone tell me what all the hype is about, because the next big change that is coming next year is Disney dining plans are coming back. People go crazy over Disney dining plans, and I need someone to fill me in. I myself have never used a Disney dining plan, so I don't really know what the perks are about it. You pay a set amount of money and you get to dine at certain tiers of restaurants. They are bringing back a quick service dining plan as well as a table service dining plan. I don't have much to say about it other than congrats on all those people that have been really waiting for this to come back. I do know that one of the perks that they used to have is they would release free dining when you'd stay at a certain tier resort for a certain number of days. And that has not said that it's coming back, but I'm assuming with the Disney dining plan coming back, that's going to be a perk that they're going to want to offer to the public to get people in the doors of Disney. The last thing that we know nothing about, but they've announced that there's a change coming, is Genie Plus system. People have been complaining that they don't want to spend all day long on their phones inside the parks. And right now, if you're using Genie Plus, it seems like you are perpetually refreshing your page while standing in line, while walking. People don't want to spend all that money to be at Disney World to look at their phones. So, what has been rumored is there's going to be some way to still purchase Genie Plus, but to be able to pre plan before your vacation begins. I'm not really sure how it's going to work. They haven't disclosed that information yet, but that is coming in the future. We'll keep our mouse ears open, ready to learn anything that Disney throws our way. And that's it. Those are the announcements Disney made last week that are coming to the parks soon. We will stay on top of things and give you the most information that we can as soon as we get it. That way you can have the best experience planning your family's Disney World trip. If you like any of the information that I provided for you today, go ahead and like this video and subscribe to the channel. I'm going to do my best to give you all the Disney information as clearly and plainly as possible. Thank you for joining on Jack of All Things Disney. I'm your host, Jill Sutton. Until next time. I don't want to do that.